up, guys? We are back with a new truck for the team. This is the Traxxas TRX4 2021 Bronco. This car comes in colors like Ox White, Red, Velocity Blue, Icon Silver, Cyber Orange, and Black. As usual, this does not come with a battery or a charger, but it is ready to run. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up for you guys, and you can take a look inside the box, and we'll see what all it comes with. Disclaimer, so in the Notorious video, we had already taken out and ran it. This one we have not. I have to cut it open, fresh out of the box. That is really pretty. I love this orange. Here, let me get you guys a close-up of the color. So upon taking the saran wrap off, my dad was helping me and we totally thought this was like returned and scratched or whatnot. So just a little disclaimer, it looks like it's been beat and cracked and everything, but there is just, now I can't get it. There's just an extra protection sheet. So in the box, obviously, you just have like your manual, your tools, and then some stickers, just the normal stuff that comes with it. One good thing about this body is that it's clipless. It just snaps on, so you don't have to worry about losing any little clips when you're out on the trail and having backups with you, nothing like that. Also gives it its realistic scale looks. This car has front and rear locking diffs, so you can lock it and unlock it from your transmitter.
It's also very adaptable, so you can switch into low if you're going up like a steep hill, and then you can switch into high if you're wanting some speed on a trail.
This runs on a 3S LiPo, and it is also equipped with cruise control, which makes it really nice for when you're going out on like long trail rides. It has waterproof electronics, and it's also got an adjustable wheelbase, and the wheelbase is actually 12.8 inches. It also has a dual battery tray for different size batteries, for example, like smaller ones, bigger ones. It fits all needs. It has a 550 motor. The ESC also has different modes. It has race, trail, crawl, sport, training. I really like how this car comes with a functional spare tire, so it's ready to go if you ever need to change it. A big thing that Traxxas advertises for this vehicle is how tough it is.
So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like the content that I'm putting out. And go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. I try to upload every Friday. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.